Hi, my name's Danny, and you're gonna join me on my little adventure today. So, grab some popcorn and prepare to be embarrassed because today was not perfect, but at least we didn't get another ticket, and I consider that a win. As a little bit of premise as to what we are going to be doing today, I thought it would be a good idea to get my car cleaned up before I had a certain visitor that's coming to see me tomorrow. Additionally, I wanted to film a little drifting, so maybe we'll fit that in as well. Well, here we go.
Oh my god. I don't know if you saw it on camera, but that bitch got some fucking recoil on that ass. That shit was hot. So unfortunate. Can I leave? Thank you. Oopsies. I don't know how that happened. But we need to get some air to dry off our car. So let's do that. that. We're on the move. We're getting out of here. Okay, so I just drifted that roundabout and then the camera fell. The fucking sheriff was at that stoplight, and I don't know if by the graces of God he did not see me, or damn, I don't know if he just didn't see me or he just let me go or some shit, because I turned right and I expected him to fucking want to follow me immediately and give me a ticket, but he did not. So I'm back on campus now. Holy balls, dog. I don't see him anymore, but fuck me, dude. I thought it was over when I saw his ass. So I'm gonna count my blessings. Jesus Christ. That was luck. I haven't gotten lucky like that in a while, so maybe that tells me my luck's coming back. So, alright, there's an Audi behind me, so I should be good for now. Fucking traffic on campus is ass. So, alright.
I guess it's just that kind of thing where it's up to your own interpretation, you know?
I'm just gonna let that be a lesson learned. Check my goddamn surroundings. I'm usually really good about that shit, but holy fuck, I almost fucked up badly. So just gotta be a little more vigilant. We can go on the left, we can go on the right.
To my friend, I love you.
I'm gonna circle around one time. Make sure.
Now it's time to say goodbye.
Alright. Hopefully this fucking mount doesn't fail again.
I love you.
Like I did last fucking month out.
Goodbye, my friend. I love you. Goodbye, my friend. I love you.
It's unfortunate with light.
I love you. Now it's time to say goodbye to my friend. I love you. Please don't leave me. Goodbye to my friend. I love you. I love you. Goodbye to my friend. I love you.
I'm not feeling it.
I love you.
Too risky.
Goodbye to my friend. I
I
love
think
you.
I'm gonna play it safe.
I love you.
We got some good shots. We're not in trouble. And honestly, I call that a win. I don't know what it is, but it's like my first year, the second year. Drifts are always ass. Just that little bit of hiccup before I finish putting it in the second and letting the clutch out. Always seems like an issue. So I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do about that. We'll have to figure something out. Well, until then, I call that a win. I'm kind of excited to look at the footage. So, got our car cleaned, got some drift clips. Let's make a cool ass video. So I made a little bit of a mistake. After getting the car clean, I think I sent it a little too hard. Yeah, there's a shit ton of dirt on the back of the car. So that's unfortunate. That's all right. No worries. It'll come off. But damn, that's rough. Let's go back home. I'm really interested to see how terrible this turned out. There's a lot of times, I'm sure you probably saw me almost fuck up. It happens. You live and you learn. I've been playing a little too much Assetto, I think, because my transitions did not transition to real life.
In Yseto, I'd be hitting like the best transitions. But that shit was ass. Like when I was leaving the Saab plant, like I damn near clipped that curb. So that was pretty embarrassing, but it's whatever. I really do mean it though. Like, you know, you just keep doing it and keep getting better. So I can only imagine how good I'll be one day. Hopefully. So, well, that was today. Peace.